Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and all folks in between, and welcome to a Music City edition of Aunt Millicent's Cooking Show. Hey y'all, we are coming to you from Music City, USA, Nashville, Tennessee, for the girls' weekend, and there's a lot of girls just like me here, and we're having a ball. So in honor of that, we're going to have the easiest, fastest cooking show of all time, because I honestly don't have any time to stay in the kitchen tonight. So without further ado, we're going to make some pizza rolls. Let's get aproned up.
My name is Natalie, and today we're making pizza rolls.
Kat's going to show us how to make pizza rolls.
All right, Millicent. So we're going to preheat the oven to 425. Then we're going to place the pizza rolls on a single layer on the sheet, and we're going to bake them for 14 to 16 minutes. And then once we take them out, we're going to let them sit for 2 minutes, and then we're going to eat them and enjoy.
Hi, I'm Meghan. I'm going to put the pizza rolls in the oven.
Perfect timing. Beautiful.
I'm Kim, and I'm taking out the pizza rolls. Begin. Don't bore yourself.
This is an action shot. Perfect. Okay, y'all, we are finished with our pizza rolls. We are still in Nashville, and all my buds are here, and we are ready to eat them. So, everybody, bon appetit. Thanks for joining us. Welcome back, Diane. I'm so happy to be here. Proud to be here. No, what'd she say? Howdy. There you go.